Just trying to hang on to my phone and hang on to the wall. On this episode of Diggin with Deej, Pam and I visit Agate Falls on the Ontonagon River. This river was used for logging in the late 1800s, moving timber farther down the river to the mills. It is believed that the shape of these falls changed because of all the millions of logs that were sent down the river. And what was once a 200-foot drop is now a step effect type falls. This video is of what not to do when visiting the falls. We took some chances that we never should have taken. And please do not try this. There is a reason why they have barriers and fence up to protect you. Can you hear the falls? I can hear them. Ooh, that is a steep hill going down there. Holy smokes. There's some pretty falls all along there, little ones. Oh, it smells heavenly of cedar. Smells heavenly. I'll get back to you when we get closer. What an adventure. Look at this. We're going underneath a railroad trestle. Look at that. Look at how that was built. That is cool beans. So at this point, I catch up to Pam and we're on the platform and we realize there's pine branches hanging in the way of the view of the falls. We can't get a shot to video it. And we look down because we hear voices and there's a bunch of people walking a path down below the platform. Just because other people are doing it doesn't mean it's right.
That's right.
And we learned that the hard way.
Okay? Well, I know I did.
Pam had a very scary thing happen to her. I didn't see it happen to her because I was looking at the cave that had washed out of the bank. And that. We never would have gone down there if we had been able to get the shot from the platform. Okay? I used to be volunteer DNR for the Michigan Moose Survey years ago. I contacted the Baraga County director or manager, supervisor of Baraga County State Parks to make him aware of what was going on. His name was Mr. Dowdy. And he said people have been going beyond that barrier for years. And yes, it is very dangerous. I told him I was going to do this video showing what not to do and why. I told him that Pam and I never would have attempted that had we been able to get the shot. Because most people that are stopping at the roadside falls, they're there to video and photograph. And all that it would take would be, you know, one of those extendable tree trimmers to trim the branches out of the way and you'll have a beautiful shot. So, you know, Pam and I thought long and hard about even putting this video up. But it's turned into like a public service announcement. You know, I encourage people to explore Michigan. Come visit Michigan. We have over 100 waterfalls in the state. And that. We made a bad choice ourselves. You know, the director knows about it. I called and spoke with him on the phone today about it. And they normally do trim the branches, but with the last 24 months of the virus, they are short-handed. But he has moved it to the top of his list to address as soon as they can. So, when you visit Agate Falls, please stay on the designated walkway and platforms.
Yeah, because I tell you,
it's very dangerous to go beyond that.
I thought I was going to go all the way down, and that was really scary. I'm glad that rock was there for me to grab. I did. By the time Deej got to me, I had crawled up to that rock and got there. But yeah, no, I was heading down, and you've seen how steep it is. I would have hit the water, and no one would have ever found me.
Right.
So.
Right. So they have these barriers and platforms and fences for a reason, folks. So please stay on the platform. So this is our experience and what not to do.
Yeah, no, I won't do it again.
For sure. No more taking chances here. Yeah, I don't recommend this. But there's people following a trail down here. We're going to try to get closer so we can get a better view. We're going on an adventure. We're going to be as safe as we can. Okay, you're probably not going to be able to hear me, but this is steep. Whoa. I am scooting down on my butt, people. I hope my fingers aren't in the way. Just trying to hang on to my phone and hang on to the wall. Okay. Woo! It's a long way down there, folks. Holy crap. Ooh, there's a cave here. Look at that. That's what they're walking on up there. That is wild. Oh, Pam, I think that's going to be good enough right there. Look at her. This is like downhill, folks. Now, at this point, I don't realize that Pam has accidentally slid down. Whoa. Stopped herself on that rock. Do not try this, folks. Oh, yeah, she's going to get a good view. I'm staying close to the rock wall here. The rock face. Let me sit down. Look at that. Look at that. Listen to that power. Let me see if I can get down to where Pam is. She's down below me. I mean, it's like steep. Okay. You got room for me down there? You got room for me down there? I know, I'm probably gonna, good thing I got black jeans on. I'm gonna have a red butt from the red soil. Look at this, it's really red soil, folks. See it? It's not showing the color, but that is dark red. This is sketchy. How did you get over there? I'm not doing this. Holy crap. I'm not doing that. I'm not doing that. Let me hand you my phone. Okay? I'm staying right here. I'm not going any farther. There's the view. Awesomeness. Look at all that power. And it's still a long way down there. I got to get back up here.
They gave up too.
Did they? Oh. You too. There. We're up out of that hole.
Thank you, Lord, for keeping us safe.
Yeah. Yeah. That may not have been such a good idea. Do not recommend doing that. It is just so darn steep. I hope you guys enjoyed it, but we're not going to chance stuff like that again. Were we on this side of the fence before? Okay. Okay, that's good. Oh. Holy shamoles, folks. Pam almost slid down the hill. I didn't catch it on film, but not a good idea to do what we just did. Don't do it at all. Okay. It's called Young Mind, Old Body. See, Pam slid on her butt. She's got the red soil to show for it. Whew. That was quite the adventure. I'm not doing that never again. No, no, no. Goodness gracious. There we are. Goodness gracious. Okay, folks. We got the shot for you, but I highly do not recommend what we just did. That was dicey. My sons would probably kick my butt when they see this one.
What were you thinking?
Yeah, what were you thinking? I can hear them now. I wasn't thinking.